Curled Up with Leslie Patricelli and Good Night Story Delight for Young Ones by Simicrane. Hello everyone and welcome to Simicrane and this new edition Good Night Story Delight for Young Ones. Tonight we have Tubby. Hooray! Splash! Leslie Patricelli's beloved baby is back. It's time for a bath. Whee! And baby obliges as only he can, playing with bubbles and using them to make facial disguises from Santa's beard to bunny ears, imitating a motorboat and letting mommy wash his single hair. And what would Tubby time be without running away naked and shiny clean, only to be scooped up and tickled? A beloved bedtime ritual takes a new joy in Leslie Patricelli's bright artwork, exuberant language, and simple, familiar scenes. Let's begin. Tubby time. I'm naked. Whee! In I go. Splash! I play with bubbles. Santa, clown, bunny, mummy, poodle. We wash my hair and rinse. Oh, all better. I practice swimming. Kick, kick, motorboat. I count my duckies. I count my toes. I wash all around my belly button. Time to get out. Where's baby? Tee-hee. Mommy dries me. Daddy dries the bathroom. Whee! Diaper time. Tickle, tickle. All clean. Woof! Thank you so much for stopping by. After a long day of play, and the Tubby you will go, I got to say. See you soon. Bye.